let's talk about some good ways to use a lens ball. Greetings all. Today I'm walking around Corfe Castle, and as it's autumn, I want to see if we can get some real nice autumn shots with the lens ball. I've got no idea how this is going to turn out, but let's wait and see. Sorry about the tractor noise, but I'll have to plough through it. Hope you can hear me. This one's nothing special, but I like the post. We've got a bit of sun in the background, so hopefully I can get a bit of a glare through the trees. One of the most important things when using a lens ball is your subject needs to be big. I'd say that's pretty big. And the second most important thing is light, because if you don't have the light, it will just be dull. And you don't always need a tripod, but it's just going to help. If there's any one big tip I could give of using a lens ball is be careful of strong sunlight, because these things can burn. One other thing to look out for as well is when you're actually lining up the shot and you've got the your subject that you're actually going to be shooting, and if you've got on a horizon, try and make sure that the horizon on the outside of the ball runs straight the way through. Just looks a lot better. So I hope you enjoyed this one, guys, and I'm going to be doing a bit more point of view street stuff coming up soon as well, and because I haven't done that for a while and I really enjoy it. So if you want to see me walking around Swanage and taking photographs of people, hit that subscribe button and that bell notification. So thanks for joining me. Take care, and I'll see you soon.